You want to earn money from YouTube, right? Then this video is for you. Follow the following steps to earn money from YouTube. First, create a channel on YouTube and set your channel name, description, and theme as per the rules below. Create relevant content. Create interesting videos to prepare your channel's content. You can make videos about anything, but it's useful to help build a relationship with your audience. Upload videos. Upload your videos and publish them through YouTube. Video reviews should help build relationships with as many people as possible to get approved. Complete AdSense account registration process. Open YouTube AdSense account and earn a fair amount of income with your videos on YouTube. This income is related to video views. Promote and promote. Engage with your audience on social media, website, and other means to help promote your channel and videos. It's important to remember that making money from YouTube takes time and effort, and you need to build a relationship with your audience to be successful. YouTube AdSense. Open YouTube AdSense account and display basic ads on your videos to earn a decent income with YouTube channel videos. This need is useful related to video views. Income by communication. Apart from advertising on YouTube, if you are doing product sponsorship or affiliate marketing, you can earn by placing video testimonials, promoting the product, or sharing your affiliate link. Channel membership and patron. On YouTube, you can let your viewers become channel members and provide special benefits to these members. Also, you can let your visitors become patrons by joining the patron program and earn income for the support you provide to patrons for receiving streams. Podcast and book promotion. You can promote podcasts and books on YouTube and earn income in this simple media version. In this way, you can earn from YouTube, but it requires time and effort, and to be successful you need to build a relationship with your audience. How do you feel about the video? Comment your opinion. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.